And ooh, was it supposed to do that? Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chanelly767. What's poppin'? Hope everybody's having a blessed, successful, and wonderful day today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chanelly. My YouTube channel is about vlog, lifestyle, and everything makeup. Today video, we are going to try out this new JUVIASPLACE Eye Prep Eye Prime Eyeshadow Primer. Now, I'm a big fan of JUVIASPLACE ever since they launched, and I'm a big fan of their eyeshadows, especially. They are very pigmented and the blending is there, and they had varieties of colors, including the foundation, the concealer, and so much more. And what I love about JUVIASPLACE, they are so affordable. I mean, like, anybody can afford their product. And the best part, they always have sale. If you are just started off as a makeup artist, I suggest that you head on to JUVIASPLACE. They have a variety of different products and palettes that you definitely need to try. Now, they come out with the Eye Prep Eye Prime, I think like maybe 3 or 4 months ago. I'm a little bit slow, but I had to get my hands on it because the eyeshadows are very pigmented and they blend very nicely. They don't need an eyeshadow primer basically, but for years now people always telling them that they need an eyeshadow primer, you know, and they come out with it, and this literally sold out. They sold out this eyeshadow primer, and when they finally restocked, I just had to close my eyes and buy it. Now they have free shade number 1, 2, and 3. Number 1 being the white one, number 2, which I got, being like a beige color, and then number 3 looking like I would say like a chocolate brown eyeshadow primer. So this is the packaging it comes with right there, and then they say the claim of this eyeshadow primer, basically it's full coverage and it does not crease on you, and it's long. Right now it's in the middle of the night, so I won't be wearing it for long, but I'm just doing a review about it just to see if it helps with their blending, which is a must, and pop of eyeshadow. So this is it right there, and that's how it look like. Very pretty, very small. And then also some people, they compare it to the Pillowiz eyeshadow primer. I do not have the Pillowiz. I don't own a Pillowiz eyeshadow primer, so I'm just going to use it by itself. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm definitely going to try cleaning out my brows with it. Now let us open her up like this, and ooh, was it supposed to do that?
Sorry.
What? Are you kidding me? And here am I bragging about, is it supposed to do that? Should I? It was watery. Now when I shake, I'm not hearing anything anymore. Oh my God. You guys see that, right? That's the first time. Now I'm afraid to put this on my eye. What? Okay, let's try it again. Okay, nothing comes out. Squeeze. Okay. So definitely when you're unboxing it and you're going to try it, I think you should shake it first. A little bit of water do come out, you can see that. a little bit of water do come out, but the product is finally coming out, and it's watery. It's not thick, but it's watery. And then let me take a brush. Okay, so this is what you see that right there. Okay, all right, so I'm going to fill in my brows, and then I'm going to use this concealer to define it, so stay tuned for that. Now I really like how it cleaned up my brows. Oh my god, it really gave like a nice sharp define. Alright, so this is Chanel from the future. I just want to inform you that I did get off from my seat to get another brush from the makeup room, and I forget to place my mic back on me. So basically my mic was on the table far away, and then that's why you're hearing like an echo or a far distance from when I'm talking, just to inform you. My brows, that makes sense, and I really like that. So it cleans up my brows very nicely. Now I'm going to take that primer, and I'm going to use that all over my lid, and then it's applying very nicely. It's very smooth. I think I applied too much though, but I realized a little do go a long way. A little do go a long way with this. And then right now I'm just going to take a flat top brush or a blending brush and just blend that out. Blend it out very nicely, I must say. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, I see you. Oh my god, look at that blend. So it blended out very nicely. Okay. Guys, you see that? The brush I'm using to blend out the concealer is from the MORPHE in R37 from this. And that's from the Rose Gold collection. I definitely want to buy one more of that collection because I love it a lot, but I'm not seeing it on their site. I think they're discontinued. They have like the travel size, but not the full size like before. So now this is what it looks like after it's blended out, guys. Very nicely. I must say, so far so good. It's blending out very nicely. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to start applying my eyeshadow, and of course we have the JUVIASPLACE eyeshadow primer. It's best if I use the JUVIASPLACE eyeshadow just to see how well these two products work together. So the eyeshadow I'm going to use today is from the WORRIOR Free collection, and it's summertime, so why not use bright colors? And look at how beautiful these colors are. Oh my god. I feel like I want to play blues and this color right here. So let us see what we're going to create today. So the first color I'm going to reach for is Candice, which is this color right there. I'm just going to pop that in the area. Okay. Ooh, wow, guys. You see that? I hope you guys see that. Oh wow. So it's blending up very nicely, I must say. Alright, so the next eyeshadow we're going to reach for is, I'm not going to try to pronounce because JUVIASPLACE has some kind of names when you're naming their eyeshadow. So I'm just going to reach for that green forest green eyeshadow in the palette right there. And I'm taking that same brush and I'm just going right in the crease area just to darken that up just a little bit. Alright, so as soon as I darken that color up, I decided I want to do like a cut crease. And I'm taking back that primer, placing it on my hand, and then I'm just going to take a random flat top eyeshadow brush, and basically I use this to cut my crease with it, and I just warm that up on my hand, and then I'm going to do a crease. So look at how that cut, guys. So I like how it cut my crease very nicely. So that's what it looked like after the crease is cut. Then I'm taking another brush from MORPHE. This one is the R36, and then I'm just blending where I cut, blend that out. Alright, so after that is blending, I want to reach for this next eyeshadow from the palette, and Gola. At least I know this one. This one is called Gola. And then I'm taking this LA Girls eyeshadow brush, flat top brush like this, and then I'm just going to apply that all over where I put my crease. So it's making the bright eyeshadow pop, applying very nicely, and there is no crease. So far so good. So after applying Gola, the next eyeshadow I'm going to reach for is this shimmer blue eyeshadow, and I'm not going to try to pronounce her name, but the names will be down in the description bar, guys. And I'm taking that same brush and that same side that I used to apply Gola on my lid. So I'm just going to give it a nice little shine. This is really summer colors. Wow, I like it. So now I'm going to do my rainbow eyeliner and finish the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that is the final look. Oh my god, I love how this look turns out. I was looking for more bright, summer friendly look, and this is so beautiful. Oh my god, look at how the blue stands out. Right now I'm really loving this eyeshadow primer. It's great if you want to cut your crease, it's great to define your brows. It does not crack on me, it does not crease on me. The long wear is the middle of the night, so I'm going to wash out this makeup very soon, but most definitely I will try it whenever I'm going out to see how long it lasts. But the only disadvantage was that when I open it, a whole bunch of water come out in it, but it's kind of understanding, because remember, when you have something stored for a very long time and you don't use it, water do tend to build up. Especially I get that a lot with the LA Girls concealer. If you don't use the concealer for a while now, especially if it's brand new, water do come out from it before you use it. So my advice is to shake it and then you work with it. That's the advice I will give. And of course, it really do make your eyeshadow pop, and I really do say that because I decided to work with a lot of bright eyeshadow to see if that claim is real, and it really do make your eyeshadow pop. So definitely it's a must buy. Go get it. JUVIASPLACE don't disappoint. They never do. They never do. So and once again, I love JUVIASPLACE. I love how their eyeshadows are very pigmented. It blends very nicely. They have variety of shades for everyone, especially in the foundation and the concealer. Super affordable, and they always have sale. And if you're someone who want to venture out into trying out different makeup, then JUVIASPLACE. And also if you're a makeup artist and you're looking for eyeshadow palettes or different palettes to work with, then definitely try out the JUVIASPLACE. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for what's popping with Shenelly767. Until the next time, my beautiful people, mwah, peace, love always. Bye.